Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Today we are talking about foundation models. But what are they? Think of a foundation model as a giant artificial intelligence engine trained on a massive amount of data. Instead of doing just one tiny job, it can be adapted to perform dozens of different tasks. The main types depend on the kind of data they process. Let's look at the 4 common types you should know. First up, we have large language models, or LLMs. These models focus entirely on text. They read, understand, and generate human language. You have probably used an LLM to help write emails, summarize long documents, answer complex questions, or even write computer code. They form the core engine behind popular AI chatbots today. Next are computer vision models, also known as visual foundation models. These process visual data like photos and videos. They can spot objects in a scene, analyze medical scans like X-rays, or even generate brand new images and videos from simple text descriptions. The third type is audio and speech models. These specialize in sound. They excel at recognizing human speech, turning spoken voice into written text, identifying different speakers, and generating realistic synthetic voices. They make real-time live transcription and digital voice assistants possible. Now, what happens when you combine all these powers together? You get multimodal foundation models. These models can process text, images, video, and audio all at the same time. This lets the AI understand complex context across different formats, just like humans do. To see how this works in real life, imagine an e-commerce customer support team. A customer sends a message saying their package arrived broken, along with a photo of the shattered product. A multimodal model can read the text, analyze the photo of the damage, and automatically draft a helpful refund response for the agent to review. To wrap up, foundation models are large AI systems trained on vast datasets that can be adapted to many tasks. Whether handling text with LLMs, images with vision models, sound with audio models, or everything at once with multimodal models, they are changing how we interact with technology. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple guides to AI. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.